Sam wakes up early, ready for a bright new day. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Let's play.
He rushes to the kitchen where his mom is making his favorite breakfast. With his backpack on, Sam walks to school feeling full of energy. Sam meets Lily and Max, and together they head to class.
All right, class. Today we are starting our exciting new group project.
This is perfect. Let's plan out our idea.
We need to decide on the topic first.
How about we do space? I'll write it down.
Yeah, and I can draw the planets. At lunchtime, Sam shares his snacks with his friends.
Hey everyone! Look at the swings! Looking at a star! Yes! Yes! Don't worry, it's okay. I'll help you find your toy.
Hey, don't worry. Look what I found right here.
As the day ends, Sam walks home feeling proud of his kind actions.
He smiles as he gets ready for bed, knowing he made the day special.